Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for that perfect mascara to lift, lengthen, and define, this review might just be the one for you. Today, I'm diving into a product that promises dramatic lashes without the hassle of Falsies, the PUPA Milano Vamp. Sexy Lashes Skinny Liner Set. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's find out. Product overview. The PUPA Milano Vamp. Sexy Lashes Skinny Liner Set is a 3-piece set designed to give you voluminous, flake-free lashes and a bold, defined eyeliner look. No falsies required. The set includes a lengthening mascara, an ultra-pigmented eyeliner, and a convenient clutch bag for on-the-go touch-ups. The mascara features a unique, curved brush that fits the natural contours of your eye for maximum coverage, allowing you to coat each lash from root to tip with ease. The flexible wand makes the application smooth and comfortable. The mascara formula promises buildable intensity, so whether you're going for a soft daytime look or a more dramatic evening effect, this product is supposed to cater to both. The eyeliner, on the other hand, is designed for precision with its ultra-pigmented fluid texture that dries quickly, creating bold lines that define your eyes without smudging or fading. Real-world testing and usage experience. I incorporated this mascara into my daily beauty routine, and it was a pleasant surprise. The first thing I noticed was how easily the curved brush allowed me to reach every corner of my lashes. No clumping or flaking, even after a few coats, which is huge for me. I could easily build intensity by adding a second coat, and it didn't feel heavy or uncomfortable. My lashes were long, defined, and noticeably fuller. When it came to the eyeliner, it lived up to its promise of precision. I've used plenty of eyeliners that claim to be precise, but they often end up smudging or bleeding. This one didn't. It's smooth, dries quickly, and stayed put throughout the day. The pigmentation is intense, creating sharp, clean lines. Overall, both products fit seamlessly into my routine, and they did exactly what they promised: volumized lashes and a bold, defined eye. Pros and cons. Pros: mascara. The curved brush really helps coat each lash for even coverage. No clumping or flaking, even with multiple coats. The buildable formula lets you control the intensity. Eyeliner. Ultra-pigmented and dries quickly, staying intact for hours. Great precision for creating sharp, clean lines. Convenient packaging. The clutch bag makes this set easy to take with you for touch-ups, and it's a bonus for those who love travel-sized essentials. Flake-free. Both the mascara and liner hold up well throughout the day, with no signs of smudging or flaking. Cons. Mascara. While the mascara gives great volume, it might not be as dramatic as some other mascaras on the market. If you're looking for super bold lashes with just one coat, you may need to layer it a bit more than expected. Eyeliner. The eyeliner dries quickly, but if you don't work fast, it can become a little tricky to blend or adjust once it's set. Value for money. At its price point, the PUPA Milano Vamp Sexy Lashes Skinny Liner Set provides good value for money. You're getting both a high-quality mascara and a precision eyeliner in a sleek, travel-friendly set. If you're someone who loves bold, dramatic eyes but doesn't want the hassle of falsies, this product is a solid choice. The fact that both products are buildable means you can easily customize your look depending on the occasion, making it versatile for different needs. Comparisons. When comparing this set to similar products, there are a few other mascaras and eyeliners that also promise volume and precision, such as the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara or Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil. While those products are fantastic, the PUPA Milano Vamp set stands out because of its combination of both a high-quality mascara and eyeliner at a more accessible price. For those who need both in one, it's a great value. Build quality and longevity. The packaging is sleek, and the products feel sturdy in your hand. The mascara wand is flexible and easy to maneuver, while the eyeliner pen offers a precise grip for easy application. Both products are designed to last throughout the day, and I found them to hold up well during long hours of wear. As for the longevity of the product, it holds its effectiveness without drying out quickly. I've been using both products for a few weeks now, and I haven't noticed any significant degradation in performance or quality. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this set, The link is in the comments. Customer support. I didn't have any direct experience with PUPA Milano's customer support, but from what I've read, the brand is known for being responsive and attentive to customer inquiries. It's always good to know that the company stands behind its products if you run into any issues. Product alternatives. If the price of this set is a little steep for your budget, but you're still looking for a similar effect, I would recommend checking out the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and NYX Epic Ink Liner. Both are highly pigmented and provide a similar volume and definition, but at a more affordable price point. Final verdict. The PUPA Milano Vamp Sexy Lashes Skinny Liner Set does deliver on its promises. If you're someone who wants defined, voluminous lashes and a precise, bold eyeliner without the hassle of false lashes, this set is a great option. It's not without its minor flaws, but for the most part, it's a solid performer at a reasonable price. I recommend it to anyone who's looking for a high-quality mascara and eyeliner combo that's easy to use and versatile enough for day-to-night looks. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.